Good morning. Talking about engine oil is my favorite subject. And now let's talk about GTO. I first found out the oil GTO from my friend home. At first I bought 100,000 stock. Then for the next few months I bought almost 500,000 pesos of GTO because I was amazed. When I use it, my brand new car, most of my brand new car, especially my Strada home, the pickup is my working car. I found out that after putting some GTO oil on its engine, because I live here in Ormoc at the top of the hill, 13 kilometers away from the city at 200 meters above sea level. At saka puro paahon yung daan na pinupuntahan namin sa bahay ko. Talagang kung sakit ka magpatakbo, pagdating mainit ang makina at saka may cracking sound kang marinig. But I was amazed. After using it, I can tap my engine on the top of the cylinder head cover na hindi ako napapasok. And I am Mario Maristella, by the way. I am the owner of Maristella Engineering Works, which has a contract with a large energy development corporation here in Ormoc, a geothermal company. I even introduced to them the product and use some on its pump, on its heavy equipment, on its industrial equipment. So I found out that using GTO will save you a lot of money. You will also save the earth, because once you use it, you're now called an environmental hero, because the oil you use, once you put it on the engine, you don't need to have a change oil after 5,000 kilometers. Then after 5,000 kilometers, you have to tap it again with a bottle or two. Then the old oil will be enhanced into a new multi-grade oil, meaning 4 liters of your engine oil plus 1 bottle of GTO. So if your engine has 8 liters, 6 to 8 liters, you have to use 2. But you will be amazed because the product really works. I mean, the product is like a magic product that you will be amazed, because your car is, I think, has more power, cooler engine, then save a lot of fuel, up to 30% and 50%. So I introduced to you also the use of GTO. And if you have a large business, say a transportation business, if you said 30% of your fuel consumption of least 1,000 liters, then 300 liters is a saving, then it's a lot of money. And I am inviting you to join us and use GTO for your machine.